Hello everyone, my name is Earl Knight, the expert realtor. I am currently doing an open house at 4403 Wolf Ridge Crossing in Parrish, Florida. And I know a lot of people ask me, they're selling their home, what are some of the things you need to do to sell your home, as well as I have agents and realtors ask me all the time. I've never done an open house, and what would it take to do one? This is the house I'm doing here, if you can kind of see in the background there. Again, my name is Earl Knighton. I'm a licensed realtor. I've been a realtor for over 18 years now, licensed in the state of Florida and Georgia as well. Just some key points right quick, just to go over what it takes to do an open house. The first thing is you probably need to start planning out at least no less than 3 days prior to doing an open house. Sending emails, putting advertisements out. About 2 days beforehand. The new laws allow you now to put an open house sign out on the corners about 2 to 3 days for the weekend. We suggest doing them no longer than 2 or 3 hours. Also, please have sign-up sheets for your guests when they come to register. Some bottled water, mints, anything of that nature. Please stay clear of any alcoholic beverages. It's suggested not to use. Also at open houses, with your sign, put a rider on there that says open house and possibly some balloons or whatnot. Again, pretty much what it takes to do an open house. It's pretty simple for the most part. The biggest part is planning and preparing. Again, my name is Earl Knighton, expert realtor, licensed over 18 years in the state of Florida. Any agents in the area, come by, take a look at it. We're just getting this thing started. Beautiful home, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths on 2.5 acres, swimming saltwater pool, extra garage that you see back there, a total of 5-car garage. Hardwood floors, tile throughout. You can't beat it. Lovely home. Again, thank you for joining me on today. And also, for any agents or realtors either new to real estate, looking to enhance their education, please inbox me your email address. I can get you set up with our new group, Real Estate Mastery for Agents and Realtors. Look forward to talking to you soon.